Hello everyone, this is Angelino from Smartphone Technology again today with you, and today I want to give you another website that mining dollars or Bitcoin, that whatever you want. So before we start, if you are on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any comments you can leave it below the video. The link for the site will be below the video in the description. So let's start. The site called Xeon Mine, okay? That's the site. Like you see, at first it's history, cloud mining, blah 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 blah. It doesn't important. When you sign in, you will get power 350 gigahertz per second. So now let me show you how you can sign in, but I will not sign in because I have already an account in a few days. So if you want to sign in, this is register here, and here is login. Let's go to the register only to show you how it works. Okay, you put your username, your password, and your username, your email, and your password. So I want to log in now. Okay, 1 second so I can get into my email account. Okay, like you see, I'm signed in. So you can see here that I have this amount for 3-4 days maybe. I just leave it. I don't go to the site and don't check it, nothing. It do mining automatically. You have only to be signed in. So this is what I have in 3 or 4 days by Bitcoin. You can see here, and you can see here by USD, United States dollars, how much you have earned already. And my referral power is 0 because I don't share my link exactly, and like you see, my link is here by referrals. We'll check it right now. Just let's go to the questions. People will ask how much can I withdraw and how much I can put money in this site, like this deposit and things like this. So let's go to the questions. I will show you the important things. How may be a client of Xeon Mine? Okay, where can I buy Bitcoin? What is Bitcoin? That's not important. Okay, let's go to the withdraw. Minimum withdraw is 0.00029 BTC. Like you see here, I have 0.0002 13.132, something like this. Okay, so I will wait until tomorrow maybe, and I can withdraw, but it will not be more than something like $1. So I don't have to withdraw. Okay, so when can I withdraw money? Let's see here. Every 24 hours. Okay, so you can see here how it works. And let's say about deposit. Minimum deposit 0.002 Bitcoin, and maximum deposit 100 Bitcoin. Okay, 100 Bitcoin. Who will put this account? Okay, actually you can see here everything else. What is our company activity? Okay, Xeon Mine is a cloud mining company. We have 3 big data center in Asia. Okay, this is from Asia. Okay, Asia. Okay, Asia. Yes, the company officially registered. Yes, company registered. China. Okay, not bad. What has been going, it doesn't matter. You already know. Where can I buy Bitcoin? You can see here where you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin in the site how to buy bitcoin.info. Okay, how may blah 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 blah. Everyone is welcome to be a client Xeon Mine. Okay, good. when Bitcoin is transferred, click the button activate. That is how is the activation, the mining. Okay. What are purchases limited? Purchases limited is 100 BTC, sorry, one time. Okay. Let's go here right now to the referrals. Okay, the referral earn money by recommending our website to other people. Your earnings are unlimited. Get a commission of 9% on each deposit of the person who will register directly from your referral link. The referral program has 3 levels of commission. With each additional registered user in the second and third line, you will receive an addition 4% and 1% commission. You will earn 9% plus 4% and 1%. That means 14%. Okay, you see how it works. Okay, that is how it works. And this is my link if you want to sign in by my link. Okay, and help me also grow faster. That's good, that's nice. If you like, you don't have to. Withdraw money is by this press here, and you can put here what account that you want to can't withdraw yet because you don't have enough money. Okay, Bitcoin amount, you will put here your Bitcoin wallet, and then you will press on confirm payment. Okay, that's all for this time right now. I wish my video was helpful, my guide was helpful, and if you liked it, thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye and thumbs up.